Hi everyone, it's Robert with Advanced Diagnostics. Today I'm going to show how to switch from vehicle to system on several different manufacturers. The first one we're going to start with is Chrysler. You're going to pick Chrysler. Okay, now you're at the vehicle selection where you could pick whatever vehicle you want from the menu. Okay. But let's say you're not successful on by using it by vehicle, for instance, like on a 2006 Chrysler 300, which is a CAN 1 in most cases. If it doesn't work by vehicle, if you don't get a pin, you can switch over to the bypass and actually use the bypass in order to get the job done. So what you'll do is you'll go up right here till you see the little engine right there next to the car. Okay, you're going to tap that. Okay, now that puts you by system. See up here where it says system? Okay, now you can go ahead and select the system that you want. It's real important to know this because on Chrysler, Dodge, and Jeep, you might have to select either FOBIC A, FOBIC B, and here's the vehicle system CAN 1 bypass right here. And this is really good to know. You have all your CAN systems right here. You can select any one of these for whatever vehicle you're working on, and you should be able to use those in case you run into a problem going by vehicle. Here's the pin reads. You can go down here if you have a problem reading a pin. You can try down here going to CAN 1 pin read and seeing if that'll take care of the issue. But if it doesn't, just go back up to CAN 1 bypass, which is right here, and select it. Okay, now you can go ahead and do the programming on your vehicle that way. This also works for like Ford, for instance. Let's say you're going to do a Ford. Let's see here. Let me pick a vehicle. I don't know. We can pick just an Escape, for instance. Okay. Let's say, for instance, that you get a failure for some reason. Just switch over here to System, and now you can go down to the system that you want. Like right here, here's PATS 5 CAN, PATS 4. There's a lot of different ones here you can choose from. There's the PCM ones. Here's USA, which is the ones we're going to be using. You kind of got to be careful what you're going to pick in here. You want to pick the right one, obviously, to make. Here we go. USA PATS 3 CAN, PATS 2, PATS 1, PATS 5 CAN, USA. You want the ones that say USA, obviously, because we are in the USA. And then there's the proximity ones down in there. Anyway, that kind of gives you a rundown how to do it. Just pick the manufacturer. Here's Dodge, for instance. And then come up here and hit the little engine symbol, and that takes you into the systems, and then you can complete your programming that way. So anyway, I won't keep you any longer. Just a little info on how to use the Smart Pro by system versus vehicle. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye-bye.